Hi, it's Jan Howell, and in this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply snaps to your projects. And in this particular case, I'm using cam snaps. If you're not familiar with them and you haven't used them before, you are going to love how easy it is and how versatile these little snaps can be. I use them for my bibs, them for a lot of children's clothing. I use these handy snaps on my duvet covers, and I do have a tutorial showing you how to make those. I use them on my fleece hats, and of course you can use them wherever you would a regular snap. This size that I'm using is size 20, and I find that that is a good size for multiple kinds of projects. I'm going to demo on this piece of fabric and show you how quick and easy it is. So the snaps come with different pieces and they look a little bit different. There's a piece that looks like a little thumbtack. There's a male and a female piece. So the female piece will look like this. Let's see if you can see that. It has a little cup to it. The other side looks like this. But the part that we want to focus on is this looking like this. So that's a female piece, and this is a male piece. Can you tell the difference? Male piece, female piece. For one set of snaps, you will need 2 of the thumbtack pieces, 1 male and 1 female piece. So I have cut out 2 pieces of fabric, and I'll just demo on these. I'm going to locate where I want the hole to be. Take the awl that the kit comes with. Most patterns will have templates that you can put on, and you'll just poke the hole where it says to apply the snap. I like to wiggle it around a little bit so I have a real definite, obvious hole there. Take a thumbtack piece and stick that down into the hole, poking it out on the other side. And I will take the male piece. So it looks like a little hat. So I want it to look like this, and then apply it onto the thumbtack and just kind of squeeze it together. And then to secure it in place, you'll take the pliers, and this black piece is where we put the back of the thumbtack, and you can feel it snap kind of in place. And you hear that? And then to secure it in place, just give it a little squeeze. And there I have that top snap. Now to apply it onto the other piece, I have the hole. I'm going to apply the thumbtack piece. Now this time from the underside to the front. Poke it up through the fabric so it's visible. Take the female piece, but we want that little cup side to be facing away from the fabric. Place it onto the thumbtack. So it looks like that. Squeeze it and then secure it in place by sliding that in. Now I want you to listen to that. You hear that when it snaps in place. You want to make sure that it's in place and then give it a squeeze. So that's ready to snap together. Voila! So there you have it. Cam snap application. Pretty handy, pretty cool, quick. They look nice. They're colorful. They wash well. They're durable. Love it. The simple way to apply snaps. So I hope you liked that tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that. Click on the bell so you can be notified. Give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more. Leave a comment in the comment below if you have comments or questions. I will put links to other projects that use these snaps, and I will put where you can access these snaps and even get a cam snap kit, which is very affordable and really a good thing to have on hand. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.